Okay, last one, number 5. Ali has $1.02 in her wallet to buy a flower for her grandmother. Design a flower that would be worth exactly $1.02 and draw it on your piece of paper. Show that your flower is worth $1.02 and describe any strategies you use to design it. So there's really, you could do this any type of way you want. I'm trying to think how I'm going to do this because I don't have, well, I guess I can draw on my Jamboard. Here we go. So you can do this any type of way you want. I don't have all the fancy shapes you guys do, so I'm gonna have to get a little creative. But let's say that I know it needs to be exactly $1. So I'm going to think, okay, I want to start with some big things to kind of get me to a big number. So maybe I'll do like some hexagons first. So let's say I did 5 hexagons. Then what would my total be? So I could use, the box method, the moving decimal method, whatever works for me. I'm going to use the box method, I think. Okay, so I see that that is 6/10 or 60 hundredths. So I did, again, 4 hundredths times 5 is 20 hundredths, and 1/10 times 5 is 5/10. I add them up, and it's not 6, Miss Izzy, it's 7, because 5 plus 2 is 7. There we go. Okay, so I'm at 70 cents here. And I want to do some other big things to kind of get me to a higher number. So maybe I'll put 2 triangles. So that was for my terrible hexagon. Now I'm going to do a triangle. So I'm going to do 8 cents times 2 is 16 cents. And I can say that I know, for example, 8 times 2 equals 16, and then I moved my decimal. So I'll show how I move my decimal backward and forward. Okay, so now I'm gonna add them up on the right. So I had 70 cents, I had 16 cents, so that gets me to a total of 86 cents. And I need to get to exactly $1.02. So what was I saying? I need to get to exactly $1.02. I'm at 86 cents. So I know that I need 16 more cents, I think. So I think that to get 16 more cents, I'm going to use some of these blue things. They're 2 cents. So I know 2 times 8 is 16. So I'm going to do some blue diamonds. And it's kind of like the inverse of this one, which is funny. And again, I'll show how I move the decimal point to figure out how much that was going to cost. And so now I will add it up again and see if I'm at my final number. So I did 70 cents for hexagons, 16 cents for triangles, and 16 cents for diamonds. And I see that my total is a 2 here. Oops, and I forgot I have to carry that 1, so that's 12. And then my next column is 10, so I have to carry that 1 again. Oh no, it's not letting me write on top of it, huh? Okay, so my total is $1.02. And so the last part is I have to actually arrange these into something that looks like a flower. So I'm going to draw with my 8 little diamonds. Maybe I'll make like a cool stem. I hope your drawings are prettier than mine because you'll be drawing on paper and not this terrible whiteboard. And then maybe I'll put the 2 green triangles in the middle like this. And I'll put some yellow hexagons around the edges. All right, there is Miss Izzy's not terribly attractive but very functional flower that costs exactly $1.02. And again, last thing I do is I take a photo of my work and I put it right here where it says to put my work. So I make sure that I'm always showing my work.